Attention home inspectors. The following is a message for every home inspector who wants more revenue and a way to avoid the cutthroat competition and demands of agents in their marketplace. Hi, my name is Catherine Hall of the National Association of FHA Consultants, and here's the truth that you need to know about adding rehab consulting services to your business. In fact, here's the biggest problem that you face right now. You might be suffering from the belief in the myths about 203K rehab consulting, that one, it's difficult, time-consuming, or involves a ton of paperwork. But that's not even the end of your problem. It gets worse. Because there's so little time to work on getting good at something new, because you're dealing with pressure of responding to the urgency of real estate agents, you don't have time to grow your business. And because of that fact, you're stopped from expanding into markets and opportunities, and this might be why your business is kept to standing on one leg. Now, you also might find that you are suffering from the belief or the myth that 203K consulting, renovation consulting is something you can't do because you don't know anything about cost estimating. Well, if you are a home inspector who really wants to have a recurring revenue stream without relying on real estate agent marketing, here's the solution you've been looking for. The 203K Virtual Discovery Days, coming November 6th and 7th. The 203K Virtual Discovery Days conference helps you be able to have your phone ring with rehab orders worth $2,000 plus without even making one single marketing call. We're going to show you that you get referrals not from real estate agents, but from mortgage lenders. We're going to even help you have the excitement that we share from the knowledge that nearly half of your rehab projects come from existing homeowners with no real estate agent involvement at all. Speaking about competition, well, you'll have no competition because you no longer will be just a home inspector when you add rehab consulting to your business model. You want to have more time? That's one of the most amazing things about renovation consulting, because the timeline of renovation consulting is not the same as home inspection. And with that, you get more free time away from your business, or more time to have productive growth building activities in your business, and so much more. All of this is yours just because we want you to be able to join us in the world of renovation consulting. We're constantly asked for consultants. And the best of all, you'll be able to start seeing results with the 203K Virtual Discovery Days live conference by the end of the event. And it costs just $63, less than the cost of a dinner for four delivered by your favorite delivery food service. So again, if you're a home inspector with 3 or more years experience who wants to make more money, do less marketing, and have more freedom away from your business, understand this. You have all you need right now to take advantage of the amazing opportunities of rehab consulting. You're qualified right now. An important thing for you to know, in this new pandemic economy, there will be newbies added to our already saturated industry. You need a strategy to continue providing for your family in a way that does not involve lowering fees or stealing more time from your loved ones doing home inspections. And an important thing to know is that this is the start of the holiday season. That's why we chose this time for our event. A typical slowing in home inspections and a great time to start supplementing your revenue with rehab consulting industry. So we hope that you will consider joining us for the upcoming 203K Discovery Days. This event is virtual, so you can take advantage of this education, knowledge, and insight without the usual expense of airfare, hotel, and extended time away from your family and business. We hope that you will get your ticket now for the 203K Virtual Discovery Days. Tickets are limited, so don't wait. And until I'm able to support you in the future, at the Discovery Days, be outstanding.